G'day guys, just at Lake Tolondo, just going to walk this bank, just going to cast this ambush plastic around, using a bit of striker's scent at the moment. I've been having great success just putting a bit of scent on the tail because you get lots of followers here. Just a bit of psycho shrimp scent on the tail for plastic. So I just walk along this bank here. If I see a trout, I just cast at it. Quite often you see them crashing into the bait down here, or you just see them just swimming along. The water's pretty clear, so you can sort of sight cast them a bit. Flick the plastic at it, and they usually have a go at it. It's really good fun. There's been some really nice fish here lately. Good numbers of browns at the moment, so we'll just walk this bank here. Bit of prospecting, see what we can find. Really nice afternoon for it. Just any good area you think might have a trout, just have a few flicks. No good, just walk along a bit, try another area. If you see trout rising and that and smashing in the boat, just stay there. Good fun. Oh, I just had one. Oh, yep, see, just like that. Oh, I lost it. Oh, he pulled the hooks. So that's all you gotta do. Just prospect a nice looking bank. Don't know what happened there. Oh, well, let's try again. Yep. I thought there'd be one there. Took me by surprise though. They usually do. He's in a heap of flooded grass and stuff. You can feel it rubbing on the line. Where is he? Pretty cool. He's fired up. What's that, rainbow? Might be a rainbow. Nah, brown. Yeah, nice fish. Tolondo is definitely back. Great fun, love it. Wow, they're good fun. Let's go and beach him. A bit hard to get in the net. Unreal. Get in, the ripper. Cool and good fun. I just love this ambush plastic, the kiwi fruit. Absolutely love it. I was just blind casting that one. I didn't know one was there, but I thought there'd be one there. And all the flooded grass, that looked pretty good. He's a nice fish. Alright, let's pop him back. Beautiful fish. Yes, happy days. Got him. I felt him touch it, just tailing it. He was just following it, and I think that bit of scent got him to take it. Felt a knock there when I was cast there just before. I knew there was a fish there. Just touched it. It's a nice fish. He was just tapping at the plastic before. I knew it wasn't weed. I knew it was a fish. And we got him next cast. Beautiful. Nice brownie. It's a beautiful fish. Good fun. Love it. Nice fish. Should be able to just beach him. I can get him in. He's fit. He's a nice fish. Beautiful. Another little buck. Getting lots of bucks at the moment. The ripper. Beautiful. It's raining now. Get that plastic out. You beauty. What a ripper. Nice one. Let's let him go. It's a nice little fish. Beautiful. Off he goes. Let's get that one. Oh, I just had to take. Oh, that was a big hit. Oh no. Let's try to catch him this time. Didn't find the hook. Got him. Unreal. He come back for another go. It's so much fun. He's a good fish, this one. It's a good fish. Another little brown. So many browns around at the moment. I haven't got a rainbow for a while. Where is he? Here he comes. He's a nice fish, that one. I want to catch this one. Here he comes. Nice fish. Nice and easy. They're hard to net. I just don't know when to give up. Should be able to beach him with a bit of luck. What a ripper. And the hook just fell out just like that. What a nice fish. That one is beautiful. What a ripper. They just love this kiwi fruit paddle tail. What a nice fish. Alright, let's let him go. Good fun. They always have a few goes at it. They come back. Just keep casting when you're getting taps and you usually catch them. Beautiful. What a nice fish. Yep. There's a few around today. He's a nice fish. It's not usually this easy. I mean, it's been easy, but come on. There's a few about. Unreal. He's a nice fish. Beauty. What a ripper. Absolutely nailed that plastic. You swallowed it. What a ripper. There you go, straight down the hatch. They love it. That's all you gotta do. Got it. What a nice fish. They're just loving this plastic. Righto, let's pop him back. What a nice fish. A few about tonight. Great fishery. Off he goes. Let's get another one. Unreal. Yeah, got him. Here's a good one. Wow. I had a hit before. A new one was there. It screamed off like a big rainbow, I reckon. Unreal. A few around. It's a good fish, hopefully we get it in. It went right through the weeds, I got weed all over that line there. I might slow him down a bit, hopefully. It might be a carp. I can't move it. They're not usually this hard to get in. Don't know. It's a good fish, whatever it is. Unless it's a carp. Wouldn't mind seeing it. Oh, it's a trout, I reckon. It's just a good trout. Screamed off. Just a fit one. Comes. What a beauty. He's a nice fish. I hooked it in the side, that's what happened. There we go. He screamed off because I got him in the side. But he had a go at it before. I just kept casting the same spot. What a ripper. Jeez, he took off. Didn't know what we had on. That hook's right under the gill there. Unreal. Let's get this out. It's a pretty lucky spot to hook one. Right in there. That wasn't coming out, that's really in there. Got it. What a ripper. Alright, let's let this bad boy go. Pretty unlucky fish, that one. Fair hooked in the gills. What a beauty. He's just wondering what the hell happened. Just revive him a bit. Hooked in the gills, bit unlucky. See ya, fella. You silly trout. Silly trout. Get him. I saw one moving before. I thought we'd get him. They usually have a go at it if you see one. Fighting alright. Is that already? That's true. Yeah, I saw him move before. Thought we'd get him. Beautiful. Nice fish. Beautiful. Should be able to just beach him along here. Very good. He's a nice fish. What a ripper. Beautiful. There's been a few about. Good fun. I love that. Alright, let's pop him back. Nice fish. Lots of browns around. As he goes. So I just walk this bank. I see an area where I think there'll be a trout. I'll have a few casts. Probably like half a dozen casts. If I don't see any trout moving or don't get any action, I'll just walk along a little bit more, have a few more casts. Looks pretty good along here. Oh. Unreal. I love it. Jeez, I wasn't ready for that one. He just shot out of nowhere. Where's me net? There we go, what a fish. Entertainment plus. That's cool. There's a few about tonight. Good fun. Got him. What a ripper. It's a nice fish. So much fun. Love it. Another nice fish. Lots of browns about at the moment. Unreal. Pop him back. Ripper. Good fun. Cool. Unreal. Getting a few. Nailed that plastic. They just love this plastic. Might be my new favourite colour. There we go. That was really good fun, just walking the banks, prospecting, looking for a few trout, catching a few. Wasn't really here that long, but plenty of action. Really good spot to fish. This fishery's coming along really nicely. The carp don't appear to be a problem. I've been doing a lot of sight fishing along here and I've seen lots of trout, but I haven't actually seen any carp at all. I don't know where the carp have gone, but the numbers don't seem too bad at the moment. They're not much of a problem, but the trout are doing really good. Anyway, I'm just going to have a couple more casts now and head home, so I'll check in again if I get another fish. Otherwise, thanks for watching and we'll catch us on the next video.